my god. We now have orange brake calipers and a remap. That's it. Oh my god, that's 300. What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by AutoTopNL. My name is Martin, and today we finally have a tuned Lamborghini Urus. Now, back in 2018 we've tested the stock Urus when it was released. If you haven't seen that review, go check it out by clicking in the top right corner. Today I'm going to cover all the tuning, all the customization done by Mr. Elmerhouse, because this one has been customized, modified by Elmerhouse Motors, a company we've been visiting for many years. We really like their cars, and they offer such great possibilities when it comes to tuning and customizing your car. So let's check out this awesome Lambo. Many thanks to the owner, by the way, for letting me test his personal car. Really nice guy, and let me show you what he has done to his car. Now, this is an all black Lamborghini Urus, but he thought that was a bit too normal to have it black on black, which I agree. So he decided to have these orange details done by Mr. Elmerhouse. So we now have orange brake calipers housing the biggest carbon ceramic brakes ever made, which are stock on a Lamborghini Urus. This little detail right here has been orangeized. Again, orange calipers, striping on the rear diffuser, which I think looks really cool. Especially the curves, the angles of the diffuser stand out even more than it was just gray or black. Now, we also have the orange stitching in the interior. Looks really good. Orange Lamborghini logo stitched in the headrest, and always do it twice. When you used to own a BMW, you always do it twice. Now, the masterpiece. Let's talk about this. This is the 4-liter TFSI, which is used in many cars. Cayenne Turbo, Panamera Turbo, Audi SQ7, Audi RSQ8, Audi RS6, Audi RS7, the list goes on and on. But the Urus has a slightly different configuration, because most importantly, this car has been designed to house two air-to-air intercoolers, because an RS6 or an Audi RSQ8 has a water-to-air intercooler. Now, the intercooler cools the charged air, and if you tune a car, the engine gets hotter and hotter because it has to produce more power, and you want that inlet temperature to be as low as possible. Now, with the water-to-air intercooler, and many Audi tuners know that this is the biggest problem, the air intake temperature can go up to like 90 degrees Celsius, which is, I mean, you can nearly boil an egg in the air of a tuned Audi RS6. The bottleneck for tuning this engine. But as I said, Lamborghini chose for this 650 horsepower configuration to have air-to-air intercoolers. That's how important it was to them. That also means we have a lot more room for tuning. So this has a decat downpipe, only the first cat, not the second cat, and a remap. That's it. And we now have 780 horsepower. That's a gain of 130 horsepower. Can you believe it? It's insane. Now, fun fact, this engine cover, you can get it at Lamborghini in carbon fiber. Costs only 5,000 euro. Yes sir, 5,000 euro for a carbon fiber engine cover. Crazy, right? Now let's see what it's like to drive on the Autobahn. I'm not going to drive it on B roads, because 780 horsepower is something you use on the Autobahn. Now, we also have a customized exhaust by Elmerhouse, and it sounds flipping amazing. It really does. I'm going to put it into Corsa mode, put it in manual by pulling both pedals. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's awesome, guys. All right. Hope you can see the speedometer right there. So when I picked up this car, Mr. Christoph Elmerhaus is a good friend of the people at G-Power, and G-Power X6M, it did a 7.59 seconds 100 to 200. So he really wanted us to beat that car, which had 770 horsepower, so 10 horsepower less. But Lamborghini is a bit bigger. We are running a bit larger wheels, so it's going to be very, very close. I'll talk about the result when I show you guys a little pull. Oh, when it shifts gear, you get this immense torque punch in your back in Corsa mode, because it's just as fast as it can be in Corsa. Okay, let's see if we can get a little space here, because this is not like our usual Autobahn. This one's a bit more busy. Okay, 100 to 200. Shouldn't take too long. Here we go, don't need that much space. And that's 200 in 7.57 seconds. So it's 0.02 of a second quicker than the G-Power X6M competition. That's hilarious. And when I told Christoph about this time, he immediately sent the draggy sheet over to G-Power. That's insane. And this isn't even the most powerful Urus he has built, because he has also worked on a plus 1000 horsepower Urus. I'm really hoping we can test that car in the future and see what that's like, because Jesus Christ, these things are insane. And with the Urus, more so than with the Audi RS-Q8, you have room for tuning, because you have the largest carbon ceramic brakes on the planet, helping you manage the power, manage the speed. Because look at it go, it's insane. This is a freaking house on wheels, and it's doing 280, 285, 290. Oh my god, that's 300 in a flippin' boat. Oh my god, what a car. And the ease it handles the power is just, it's insane, guys. Okay, I'm going to flip it into manual mode and show you the immense torque. Now, this is about 780 horsepower. He has done many of these configurations so he can like make a good estimate, but he hasn't done a big dyno pool on it. Okay, I'm going to use fifth and show you. Oh, the growl. Sorry, that was my bad. But the growl this thing makes, producing the torque, building up the power, it's an angry bull. It really, really is. What a car. What a machine. Now, I have heard rumors that Lamborghini are developing a Urus Evo or something in that spirit, an Urus SVJ, whatever. They have so many abbreviations over at Lamborghini to make a car go fast, but I mean, it's probably going to be something like this, but a lot more expensive, because I mean, if the engine cover in carbon fiber costs an extra 5,000 euros, then imagine what 130 horsepower is going to cost you. I've been waiting for this for such a long time. I mean, it was 2018 when we tested the Urus, and finally it happened. A tuned Lamborghini Urus. I'm absolutely in love with this car. It's the ultimate SUV. and it's the fastest SUV we've ever tested. So this is my exit. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this crazy Lamborghini. Again, thanks to the owner and to Mr. Elmer House. So if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like the video. Check out this Lamborghini review or go check out the reviews playlist if you want to see anything else. Bye guys!